a beginner's guide to audio compression. Are you ready to take your music to the next level? The audio compressor is one tool that can make a big difference in how your tracks sound. In this guide, we'll break down what an audio compressor is, how it works, and how you can use it to make your music sound professional. What is an audio compressor? An audio compressor is like a magic box for your music. It helps to even out the loud and soft parts of your audio, making everything sound smooth and balanced. Think of it like a volume control that automatically adjusts to keep your music sounding just right, no matter how dynamic your sound gets. How does an audio compressor work? At its core, an audio compressor reduces the volume of loud sounds and boosts the volume of soft sounds. It does this by setting a threshold, a point where the compressor kicks in, and a ratio, how much the volume is reduced when the sound goes above the threshold. This helps to tame peaks and make your music sound more consistent. How to use an audio compressor. Now that you know what an audio compressor does, let's talk about how to use it. Here are some simple steps to get started. Set your threshold. Start by setting your compressor's threshold. This is the level at which the compressor starts working. You can adjust it to catch only the loudest peaks or compress your audio more. Adjust the ratio. Next, adjust the ratio of your compressor. This determines how much the volume is reduced when the sound goes above the threshold. A higher ratio means more compression, while a lower ratio means less. Tweak the attack and release. The attack and release controls determine how quickly the compressor reacts to changes in volume. A faster attack time will catch peaks more quickly, while a slower release time will let the compression fade out more gradually. Listen and fine-tune. Finally, listen to your music and make any final adjustments. Pay attention to how the compressor affects the overall sound and adjust the settings as needed to get the sound you're after. Using an audio compressor can help take your music from amateur to professional in no time. By understanding how it works and following these simple steps, you can make your tracks sound smoother, more balanced, and more polished. So why wait? Dive in and start experimenting with audio compression. Tap like and subscribe to keep up to date with Pro Audio Blog, where you feel the vibration